Building your immune system is vital to good health. Today, we're making a hearty chicken soup and a super simple side dish, comfort foods using red cabbage. Let's go down that road. Hello faithful people, I'm Orlene, and today we're going to make chicken red cabbage soup and a super simple side dish using red cabbage and apples. Gary's out here. I can see from the apartment up above there. I can just see his hat. And there he is, plunking away at it. It's a warm enough day. We're tackling the decals again. Gary says these are pretty baked on, huh?
Yeah. It's gonna take a while.
Yeah. And I'm doing laundry. I'm going to get our sheets from inside, the ones on the couch and the ones on the dinette. Freshen those up so they're ready to go, and we are ready to move back in.
Hopefully soon.
So for the past 2.5 months, we have been covering the windows every night. It's been kind of a ritual. During the daytime, we let the sun come in, and then at night we close the blinds and we put these up over the windows just to keep heat in. And although little by little we moved just about a whole lot of stuff into the apartment to use, but there's still some things out here that we didn't want to freeze. I want to freshen up the bench seat covers so that they're ready to go when we are ready to move back in. So I'm going to do those and the couch cover. It's a fairly decent couch, and because we have the furnace and some other stuff underneath there, I'll show you. There's the furnace. There's our bat. And then we have storage under here too. Our Mr. Buddy space heater. And our little dirt devil, which we don't need very much anymore now that we took the carpeting out. That was great. Get rid of that. So anyway, the furnace is under here, so we can't put a couch in here. So Gary supported it by adding this on. I'm adding this framework in here a year ago. And it looks really nice. And that helps to make this more secure, which has been a very comfortable couch. It's just a very dated, not my style pattern. So I cover it up. And the same with the chair cushions. What's really nice is that in most RVs you're going to have this upholstered and you won't be able to wash it, but I like the fact that we can periodically wash these. They're just slip covers is all I made, like a pillowcase. And then I made these like a pillowcase as well for the seat. So these can come off too. And it was super inexpensive to make them. I just took some bed sheets that I had and used those. And then on the couch, it's a king size of the same color. So it keeps some consistency, keeps it nice and neutral, and then I can do whatever I want with pillows and other accents. Now to make this really easy for the chicken soup, and it tastes a lot like chicken noodle, but without the pasta, so it's low carb. The thing that made it really easy was the fact that when we bought some rotisserie chicken at Costco, pre-packaged, ready to go, all I had to do was I shredded some of it and I cut up some of it into bite-sized pieces and put that in freezer bags. So I had some of the ingredients ready to go. The thing that I really like about red cabbage is how long it lasts. If you buy a nice big head of cabbage, you can use it raw, cut up on a side salad. You can use it in a hot dish, and it will last for well over a week if you keep it in an airtight Ziploc bag. So that's why I really like red cabbage. And it doesn't have a lot of flavor, but it has just enough to make it really good. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below, that red button down there. Hit that subscribe button down below, and then next to it a red bell is going to pop up. Ring the bell and you will be notified every time new videos come up. You don't want to miss any because we have a lot of things going on. Soon we'll be moving back into our home. I can't wait! Check out our Facebook page, Rose of Faith, for more features, and until next time, God bless.